Hey everyone! Today we take a look at this swen email worm, which is similar to the guide worm. This worm was discovered in September 2003 and became the top worm of November 2003. This worm spread to Kazaa, IRC, and local network. So here we have our Kazaa share folder, or MIRC installation folder, as the worm checks to make sure one of these programs are installed. And as soon as we run the worm, our share folder will be filled up with the worms. Let's run it. And we can see that this guy has a fake security update from Microsoft, so let's install it. I actually like this fake installer or something. Let's see if we can wrap this file real quick. There we go. There we go. Get it. Oh, so in this file here, we can see that it collects all our emails in our contact and some other emails that we send to, and worm generated emails such as something like the newsletter that these there, and okay, and as soon when we look at the files here, we can see that the file we just looked at just disappeared. So let's look at the swen one file here, and we can see that this is a collection of NNTP servers. So which, if we are hooked to the internet, the worm will connect to these NNTP server here and look for new target. And now this file randomly named here, we can see that it tells us where the worm had duplicate itself to, or have been installed to. And now we will take a look at our Kazaa share folder. We can see that we have now filled with some stuff right here. So back in 2003, if you go on Kazaa and download one of these with an installer icon, you're probably infected with swen. Now onto the MIRC installation folder. There you can see that it dropped a strip.ini file here. So, which now every time we join an IRC channel, we will automatically send a copy of the worm to everyone in the channel. Now, just in case you don't know, if you click no when you install the fake security update patch, it will do it silently anyway. Okay, so by the way, if you log on our other virtual machine here, we can see that there we go. We have some mails there as a test to make sure that that our SMTP server is working good. Now let's send a receipt on this machine, and we can see that it dropped some new files here, some new mail here, and we can see that this one here, this looks pretty legit for a Microsoft email, and some non-skilled people, non-tech savvy will fall into this and they will install it and get infected. It dropped a copy of the worm here, and yes, it used the current day and time on the infected machine. So every time when the worm got infected on that machine, or just got infected something, we will automatically send a copy, automatically send an email to everyone in contact with our current day and time here. So you can see that it's September 2019, despite the worm being 16 years ago. Now onto the other mail, we can see that this contains an iframe exploit. So as soon when we preview it, we got a request to open it or download it. So on unpatched mail client, the worm will run automatically. Here's the content of the mail here, we can see here. Pretty nice. Also contained here is randomly named executable. Alright, so let's get back on the infected machine here. Now if you look on the regedit here, we will be navigating to this software, Microsoft Windows current version, and Explorer here. Look at that, and there we go. We can see that it had its own subkey for keeping information on SMTP servers, and quite a bit information, also including the nickname of the creator of the worm here. Alright, but if the worm cannot find these information about SMTP servers, it will display this fake MIPI error asking the user to input the data. Alright, so what happens if our computer get infected with this worm here? So let's run something simple like regedit. Yep, that's right. The worm modified the stop key for .bat, .scr, .exe, .reg, .pip to automatically run the worm and then the program you're looking for. That's why you see the error there. And this worm also have anti-debugging features. So if you execute a worm under a debugger, this message will show and then terminate all running program. Neat. It also terminates security and AV program at the time. So with that, it could be a pain to remove, but shouldn't be hard to remove, like booting to safe mode with command prompt or special trap tool from AV vendors. Also, this worm connects to a web page which keeps track of how many computers are infected with this worm. But it's 16 years now, and the website is offline anyway, so I couldn't show you that. And I guess that's it. Not really destructive, however, it's pretty damaging to business and stuff here. By the way, thank you for watching.